Bayraktar TB2, Military Analysis. Introduction. The Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish-made medium-altitude long-endurance, male unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, developed and manufactured by Baykar Makina. Since its introduction in 2014, the TB2 has become one of the most widely used and combat-proven drones in modern warfare. Lightweight, efficient, and cost-effective, the TB2 has significantly influenced the evolution of unmanned warfare, especially in asymmetric and hybrid conflict environments. Technical specifications. The Bayraktar TB2 is powered by a single Rotax 912 internal combustion engine, generating approximately 100 horsepower. It has a wingspan of 12 meters, 39.3 feet, a fuselage length of 6.5 meters, 21.3 feet, and a maximum takeoff weight of about 700 kilograms, 1,540 pounds. The TB2 can fly at a cruising altitude of around 18,000 to 20,000 feet, with a maximum service ceiling of 27,000 feet. Its endurance is approximately 27 hours of continuous flight, depending on payload and conditions. The platform has a cruising speed of 130 km per hour, 81 miles per hour, and a maximum speed of around 220 km per hour, 137 miles per hour. It has an operational range of approximately 150 km, 93 miles, with line-of-sight data link, although newer models support satellite communication, SATCOM, integration, extending operational control range significantly beyond visual or line-of-sight limitations. The TB2 can carry up to 150 kilograms of payload, including advanced electro-optical infrared, EO/IR, cameras, laser designators, and most notably, smart micro-munitions such as the MAML and MAMC, developed by Rotax. These munitions enable precision strikes on armored vehicles, command posts, and fortifications. Operational use. The Bayraktar TB2 is designed for tactical reconnaissance, surveillance, target acquisition, and precision strike missions. It can loiter for extended periods over the battle space, silently monitoring enemy movement, providing real-time intelligence, and executing laser-guided airstrikes with pinpoint accuracy. Its modular ground control station, GCS, allows two operators to manage flight and payload independently. The TB2's network-centric architecture supports integration into broader military C4ISR systems, command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. The drone has seen extensive combat use in Syria, Libya, Nagorno-Karabakh, Ukraine, and more. Its battlefield performance, particularly in neutralizing armored formations and air defense systems, has revolutionized the role of drones in mid-intensity warfare, showing how smaller states can neutralize heavier conventional forces with unmanned systems. Strategic value and impact. The TB2's strategic value lies not only in its battlefield effectiveness but also in its affordability, ease of operation, and scalable deployment model. Unlike more expensive Western or Israeli UCAVs, the TB2 provides countries with limited budgets access to a credible air power asset. Its success in multiple theaters has shifted doctrinal thinking globally, with militaries reconsidering their approach to drone warfare, especially in denying enemy access to terrain and countering armor with precision-guided air power. For Turkey, the TB2 is not just a weapon system but a symbol of defense industrial independence, with Baykar becoming a key player in the global drone export market. Nations such as Ukraine, Qatar, Azerbaijan, Poland, and several African countries have procured the TB2, expanding Turkey's geopolitical influence. Strengths. Proven combat effectiveness in real-world conflicts. Low cost-to-capability ratio, making it accessible to many nations. Long endurance for sustained ISR and strike missions. Precision-guided munition integration, MAML, MAMC, for low-collateral damage strikes. Modular design, allowing continuous upgrades in sensors, comms, and autonomy. Asymmetric advantage against conventional armored forces and air defenses. Weaknesses. Vulnerable to advanced integrated air defense systems, IADS, such as S-300 or Buk-M2. Limited payload capacity, restricting the variety and weight of armaments. Dependent on clear line of sight, loss, or satellite link for control, susceptible to jamming or electronic warfare. Subsonic speed and fixed flight profile make it easier to track or intercept if unprotected. Lack of stealth characteristics, making it visible to radar-equipped adversaries. Conclusion. The Bayraktar TB2 stands as a disruptive force in 21st century warfare. Compact, intelligent, and lethal, it has redefined the utility of drones in both strategic and tactical contexts. Its battlefield impact, from precision strikes to psychological deterrence, showcases the dawn of a new era where air superiority is no longer reserved for expensive manned aircraft but is increasingly shaped by efficient unmanned platforms. With continuous upgrades and battlefield adaptation, the TB2 will remain a critical asset in global military arsenals for years to come. Let me know if you'd like a version optimized for documentary narration style, a short version for briefings, or to add combat case studies, e.g., Syria 2020, Libya 2020, Ukraine 2022.